What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to your channel. You know, Life is a Mission TV, your family oriented channel. You know what to do. Just continue to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscription button. Remember, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. You know, and please remember, I am campaigning for the young entrepreneur, college student. So go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The link will pin in my comment section. And, you know, support her. Subscribe to our channel. You know, support our business. You know, you go on our channel, you see our website. You can go and see what is there and order. Also our Instagram business page where you can see what is there and what you have to offer. You know, customized tumblers. You know, most people probably might don't know what is a tumbler. Tumbler is like a mug that, you know, carry hot and cold, cup like. Yeah, you can use it for hot and cold. Have a cover, a very tight cover that if you even go and turn it, you're not seeing not one leakage. You can drink from it by pulling just the top part and drink from it. You can take off the cover and drink. And if you're drinking anything cold, it also have a straw you can use. You remove the straw whenever time you're going to use something hot. Yeah, necklaces, mugs, cups, you know, anything customized with your name or your favorite color, or, you know, your child's school. You want to put the logo for the child's school, the quest, and the mug and her name. Yeah, your husband, his favorite football team, you know, can put the quest there. Manchester United, you know, Manchester City, Liverpool, you name it. So just go over there and support her channel, help her to reach monetization status, because you don't know, as I said, they need every help. No matter what parents have to offer, them have to offer, they need help when they come on to university and college. You know, it take a lot, you know. So anyway, you can get the help from. And the good thing about it, she's trying to help herself. You understand? Anyway, people, with all I've said and done, you know, something come across my mind just a few hours ago, where I am considering that come across my head, a topic that come across my head, to do this topic live, right? And it's so unfortunate that I never ever do I do a live on the main channel. I think New Year's Eve. I was trying out the live New Year's Eve. But the reason why I don't like to do live, the data system, you know, sometimes it is so poor with the communication service provider that we have in Jamaica here. And as me say more than one time, it's hard to see, you know, you try achieve your content, and then because of data you lose your content. So if your video, you will always have your content. So when you go home, you can upload into your Wi-Fi, your internet, you know, and stuff like that. So I never really do a live and interact with my people on the main channel. And it's fortunate for over here now that I'm thinking about doing a live over here on this topic. But for me to do this live, I'm not going to go much into the topic, you know. So I am going to throw it out there for you people. If I can get 10 person minimum to say yes, go live, just go in the comment section and say go live on the topic. Then now I will go live on the topic. The topic is parents who abandon them child for whatever reason. Parents abandon kids for whatever reason. So if you don't want me to go live, just go in the comment section when you see this video, because I'm going to post this video immediately after I finish it. So if you want me to go live on this topic, just say go live on the topic in the comment. 15 person, I'm looking for about 15 person maximum, but the minimum of 10 person say go live on the topic, I will go live. But I will go live, I will just give this video time to circulate, you know. So I would go live tomorrow night at 9 or 9:30 p.m. So if you go in the comment and you say go live on the topic, tomorrow Thursday night at 9:30 the latest, by that time I will be home where I can access my Wi-Fi, my internet. So I will just go live, and I will go live on the topic. But as I say, I have to get 15 persons to say go live on the topic, or 10. Simply mean, me don't want when me dep and me go so and click live. 10 minutes into the live, me even have 3 or 4 somebody on the live. So if I can get 15 persons to say yes or 10, I'm expecting that 15 or 10 persons to be on the live, to participate on the live. Alright? And we're not going to probably be for too long, because remember now the next day is work day for most people. So I will probably be on the live for probably a half hour, 45 minutes the most, or an hour, depends on how interested it get. You know? So as I say, people, if you don't want me to go live on the topic, parents who abandon their child for whatever reason, just go in the comment section and say go live on the topic. Alright? Life is a mission, people. Continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and please hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Remember now, go live on the topic. 15 persons or 10 the minimum, you know? Yeah, and I will go live. Alright? Thanks for watching. I'm out.